抓，抓，抓。
grab, catch, arrest, seize,
grab, catch, arrest, seize.
他抓了一大把红豆放在水里煮。他抓了一大把红豆放在水里煮。他抓了一大把红豆放在水里煮。
She grabbed a handful of red beans and boiled them in water.
She grabbed a handful of red beans and boiled them in water.
警察把小偷抓住了。警察把小偷抓住了。警察把小偷抓住了。
The police caught the thief.
The police caught the thief.
我们要抓住机会。我们要抓住机会。我们要抓住机会。
We must seize the opportunity.
We must seize the opportunity.
咸，咸，咸。
Salty.
Salty.
今天的菜怎么这么咸啊？今天的菜怎么这么咸啊？今天的菜怎么这么咸啊？
Why is today's food so salty?
Why is today's food so salty?
放那么多盐，太咸了。放那么多盐，太咸了。放那么多盐，太咸了。
Put so much salt, it's too salty.
Put so much salt, it's too salty.
不要吃得太咸，对身体不好。不要吃得太咸，对身体不好。不要吃得太咸，对身体不好。
Don't eat too much salt, it's bad for your health.
Don't eat too much salt, it's bad for your health.
矿泉水，矿泉水，矿泉水。
Mineral water.
Mineral water.
我要去商店买点矿泉水，你要吗？我要去商店买点矿泉水，你要吗？我要去商店买点矿泉水，你要吗？
I'm going to the store to buy some mineral water. Do you want it?
I'm going to the store to buy some mineral water. Do you want it?
经常喝矿泉水对身体还是有危害的。经常喝矿泉水对身体还是有危害的。经常喝矿泉水对身体还是有危害的。
Drinking mineral water frequently is harmful to your body.
Drinking mineral water frequently is harmful to your body.
在运动或外出时，为了方便，可以适量的喝矿泉水。在运动或外出时，为了方便，可以适量的喝矿泉水。在运动或外出时，为了方便，可以适量的喝矿泉水。
When exercising or going out, you can drink a moderate amount of mineral water for convenience.
When exercising or going out, you can drink a moderate amount of mineral water for convenience.
付款，付款，付款。
Pay. Payment.
Pay. Payment.
我用信用卡付款。我用信用卡付款。我用信用卡付款。
I'll pay by credit card.
I'll pay by credit card.
在这家店里购买的家具可以分期付款。在这家店里购买的家具可以分期付款。在这家店里购买的家具可以分期付款。
The furniture purchased in this store can be paid for in installments.
The furniture purchased in this store can be paid for in installments.
现在很少人用现金支付，大多数使用电子钱包付款。现在很少人用现金支付，大多数使用电子钱包付款。现在很少人用现金支付，大多数使用电子钱包付款。
Nowadays, few people pay with cash, and most use e-wallets to pay.
Nowadays, few people pay with cash, and most use e-wallets to pay.
举
Raise. Lift. Give.
Raise. Lift. Give.
如果你知道答案，请举手。如果你知道答案，请举手。如果你知道答案，请举手。
If you know the answer, please raise your hand.
If you know the answer, please raise your hand.
那么重的石块，它都能够举起来，太强了。那么重的石块，它都能够举起来，太强了。那么重的石块，它都能够举起来，太强了。
He was able to lift such a heavy stone. He is so strong.
He was able to lift such a heavy stone. He is so strong.
你能举个例子吗？你能举个例子吗？你能举个例子吗？
Can you give an example?
Can you give an example?
迷路，迷路，迷路。
Lose the way.
Lose the way.
我们迷路了，怎么办？我们迷路了，怎么办？我们迷路了，怎么办？
We are lost. What should we do?
We are lost. What should we do?
一群游客在深山探险，迷路了。一群游客在深山探险，迷路了。一群游客在深山探险，迷路了。
A group of tourists got lost while exploring the mountains.
A group of tourists got lost while exploring the mountains.
我们在山里迷路了，无法找到下山的路。我们在山里迷路了，无法找到下山的路。我们在山里迷路了，无法找到下山的路。
We got lost in the mountains and couldn't find our way down.
We got lost in the mountains and couldn't find our way down.
谢谢观看。